Hey, so I've got this new Toyota 4Runner in here. It's got a small dent in the hood, and my customer had come in, said that he saw a piece of ice laying on the ground, and it's that time of year in Minnesota here. It's finally warming up a little bit, but we still got some ice and snow. He said he thought it probably fell off the roof, landed on the hood, put a small dent right on this edge that you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some glue pulling to soften it up a little bit, and then we're going to go behind the panel. There's some access points in there, push the dent out a little bit from the inside. So watch this video here and you'll get an idea of how we use paintless dent repair to take out these small dings. Alright, we're all done with the PDR dent removal on the hood of this 4Runner. There was just a little bit of scuff marks, a little bit of work marks in the paint, so I'm doing a little bit of buffing here. Gonna polish this up, get it excellent, looking perfect. You can see that when we show this at the end, keep looking towards the end of the video here, you're gonna see that you're not gonna see any type of damage, any marks. Here's the finished result. No damage, no waves, no marks in the paint. So this is an excellent repair here for our customer. So if you are wanting just the best repair for the door dings, small dents, or if you've had something fall on your vehicle and make some minor damage, give me a call here. Phone number is 763-780-4000. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.